here in this problem, it is given that there are 10 electric bulbs, each one having a wattage of 20 watts. They are used per month, and if each of the power energy costs you 5 rupees, what is the total electric bill per month to that house is the question that is answered. That has to be answered. So to solve that problem, we shall calculate how much energy is consumed actually. So that can be done basing on the definition of a power as what? Power is defined as rate of energy or rate of work done. That is energy by time. So how much energy is consumed? If you want to calculate, that is power into time. But there are n bulbs. For n number of bulbs, total energy consumed. Each bulb consumes energy, so total energy consumed is n into power into time. So it is given that number of the bulbs in the problem is 10. Power is, each bulb has a power of 20 wattage. Time, 1 month. 1 month is 30 days. Be careful about this. Month. Here, the wattage is measured in terms of time per second, whereas the time here is given in a month. Therefore, I shall convert this months also into seconds. So 1 month is 30 days. Each day has 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes. Each minute has 60 seconds. Then it makes all this into the SI system, right? So if you want to look into the power, you can say the unit of the power as, here 20 watts. Watts is actually what? Joule per second. N is a number which won't have any unit. 30 is days. I have converted that finally into seconds. So this second and this second will cancel. So the final unit of this, whatever you are calculating, will become joule. So I have calculated the value of the total energy as 10 into 20 into 30. 10 is number of the bulbs, 20 is the wattage, 30 days, each day 24 hours, each hour 60 minutes, each minute 60 seconds. So the unit becomes automatically joule. But it is given that per unit it costs 5 rupees. What is that unit is? Actually that unit is actually kilowatt hour. Actually 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. What is that kilowatt hour? Kilo means 10 power 3. Watt means joule per second. Hour means 60 minutes, but each minute is 60 seconds. So this seconds and seconds cancels. 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. So 6 into 6, 36 into 10 power 5 joules. So 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour is actually 36 into 10 power 5 joules. We have to calculate in energy in kilowatt hours because price of the unit is given per kilowatt hour. So how can I calculate total energy? Now total energy, but I want to calculate in kilowatt hour. Simply divide with this because 1 kilowatt hour is 36 into 10 power 5 joule, which is a bigger unit. So I shall divide with that. So the total energy is, this is the value, 10 bulbs, 20 wattage each, 30 days, each day 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. That will become joule. Divide that into 36 into 10 power 5, then it will become automatically kilowatt hour. Now let's try to simplify this. Look at this, there is 10 power 5 in the denominator. One 10 is there, another 10 is there, another 10 is there, another 10 is there, another 10 is there. So if you multiply all the 10s in numerator, that is 10 power 5, in denominator also there is a 10 power 5. So you can cancel that. This denominator 10 power 5, numerator 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of that got cancelled. So what's the remaining value if you look at that? 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 24 is here, 6 and 6 is here. Divided by this 36 is there. So 6 and 6 is 36 and this 36 and this 36 will get cancels. So what the answer is? 2 into 3 is 6 into 24. That is 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, another 2, 144 kilowatt hour. Or you can call it like units itself. Now it is given that cost of 1 unit is 5 rupees or $5, whatever. That implies total power bill, electric bill, will be number of units consumed for that month multiplied by cost per unit. So we have found that number of units is 144. It is given that per unit it costs 5 rupees into 5. So 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 and another 2, 5 1s are 5 and another 2. So the answer is going to be equal to, it is 720 rupee or $720 basing on in which country you are living. This is how we can calculate the total power bill basing on the concept of electric power and electric energy. And be careful that generally electric energy is billed in terms of kilowatt hours. So whenever you got the energy in joules, you shall convert that into kilowatt hours by dividing that value with 36 into 10 power 5, because 1 kilowatt hour is 36 into 10 power 5 joule. That's how you have to solve the problem. Thank you for watching.